Daniel's in these gorgeous little toy cars at Frankfurt Park. So cool. She's like his mommy. Hi! Hi, Daniel! Stop! Go, Daniel, go way over by that big tall tree.
There's a big tree.
Go. Tell him to keep going straight over by the big tall tree. It's so funny. Been chasing after him. What do you think, Ellie? Not that impressed. She's like, I wanted to be on that. Cute.